There's a big zucchini. Thyme is doing well. Yarrow is doing okay. Mint. Calendula is doing fine. There's some tomatoes. Yeah, gotta get them before they start cracking. Good, lots of nice tomatoes. Here's the basil. Oh, and I have lots of cucumbers. Oh gosh. One nice trombosino squash. Yeah, there's another one that broke off. Right there. This one is making zucchini, that's good. Yeah, but this one broke off. Too bad. This tomato's doing well. Nice. My gosh, look at all the cherry tomatoes. I'll be picking them today. The hops is doing okay. Very nice. Of course, this is the first year, so you're not supposed to pick the first year. Let the strength go into the roots. This little tomato is doing all right. Oh, and look at my little lettuce. They're doing okay. And lots of tomatoes. Gosh, I hope they're all ripened. That would be awesome. Look at all of them. There's a couple of red ones. Wow. Nice. Here's the labbage is doing good. I gotta trim those leaves off. It's not good. But further up, look at these tomatoes just keep growing up. If I had a bigger trellis, they would even grow higher. Amazing. And we were gone a whole week, and everything did pretty good, except now let's look at the squash. Yeah, the powdery mildew is set in, but I think it's still producing squash. Let's take a look. It's making zucchini. There's a couple in there. Here's a summer squash. Ooh, there's some big ones in there. A nice one right there. Very good. Let's look at my bed that is struggling. Yep, the additions that I added to here were blood meal and Epsom salt, and it's a little bit better, but we're still having issues, so maybe I need to do another one or test my soil pH. Yeah, see, what causes that? Nitrogen deficiency? I don't know what that is. We'll have to see. Let's take a look at the beans. You see, now the pepper's doing the same thing. I'm starting to think it's nitrogen deficiency. Look at the leaves. They're trying. I gotta fix this bed before next season. It looks like the irrigation did well while we were gone. Oh, I have lots of beans to harvest. Some of them got a little big. Yeah, it's a little big, but we'll see. But there's lots of beans here. That's what I'll be doing today. Just picking beans. At least they survived. Let's look. See any beans here? Yeah, there's a few. It's still wanting to make beans. Right there. Wow, I actually have a passion fruit. Look at that. Now, I understand that the Passiflora incarnata doesn't make very good passion fruit, but we're going to still try it. But there's a nice flower, and it made a fruit. Wow. Nice. Well, let's see what the rest of this. I put some more comfrey here before I left. And the burdock, 2 burdocks. And whoa, look at all the little tiny hops. Oh, how cute. Well, I'm going to be picking some of that when they're done. Look at these. They're adorable. Wow, this must be an amazing one because it's producing so many of them, little strobles. It's just amazing. Let me zoom out. Look at all of them. I'll be picking these. That's for sure. The Doia is blooming, but I think it needs to be supportive. Beautiful. And the holy basil needs to actually be planted in the ground. It would do better. Nice. So let's take a look at the cucumbers. Holy cow. Nah, that's too big. There are some giant ones. There's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's the right size right there. But those 2 big ones are just too big. This one is still okay. That one is, wow. Look at the size of these suckers. Look at this. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, the plant is very healthy. It's nice. I'll be picking those. I'm gonna have to investigate some preserving thing. Maybe I'll freeze-dry, shred it to make tzatziki sauce. Chives are doing well. That's nice. There. What a surprise. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. This, I thought, was a first year, but obviously it's a second year. So I will be harvesting these flowers to make some more earache oil. Nice. Look at these beautiful leaves. And you see these little flowers? See these? Nice. Now, if this was a first year, or maybe a second year, then this will also be a second year. It will shoot up, just like this one. By the way, this is mullein. I use this for respiratory tinctures and teas, and the leaves are just beautiful. I harvested some of these leaves before it shot up, but they're good to harvest now too, in my opinion. Some people say no, but I still get them. There's a comfrey, it's doing well. Here's my nick, which is uva ursi. I suppose I should harvest some of that too, or at least investigate how to harvest it. Let's take a look at my little seedling table. Wow, adding the irrigation is a lifesaver. This is clary sage, and this, what was this? This is, what is this? I think it's, yeah, I think this is motherwort. Gorgeous. Here's a elderberry flowering. It survived. And all these little things survived. I have 2 fig trees in here growing. I'm going to be planting these. Sage. Right there, sage. It does good. And all the calendulas. Doing very good. Very good. What is on here? What are you guys? Aphids? Not good. I guess that's going to be the sacrificial lamb. Nice. The garden did well while we're gone. Kept producing. Thanks to Dave, we had a very good system of watering. Very nice. Everything did well. Lots of work now. I have some harvesting to do. Just beautiful. The weather is just gorgeous today here too. We're gonna get some rain next week, according to the weatherman. Did good. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look it up. But the thyme is doing really well. Very nice. Here's some more mullein. There's a beautiful passion flower. Look how gorgeous. Beautiful. There's a couple on here. They obviously like it there. The Comfrey's doing all right. Nice. Thyme. That's the zucchini. That's motherwort. And those are raspberries. Thornless raspberries, of course. And I think, let me see. Here's some more mullein. And here's a nice passion flower that I have to plant still. Nice. Very good. I would say it's been successful. Nice surprise this morning, we saw the deer. That's not looking good. Now, this is the Passiflora incarnata. Just beautiful. Beautiful. So the Rose of Sharon is doing okay, even though it really needs to be cut out of this mess. But it's blooming. Nice. Let's go look over here. And the blackberries are starting to dry up. We couldn't even get to all of these. And here's the other Rose of Sharon. It's suffering a little bit. My blue elderberry is doing well. It's a good thing it's protected by this little netting. And the crabapple tree is full of crabapple. The boysenberry are surviving. Some of my amaryllises are getting still ready to bloom. Most of them are already done. I think they like to get the water, so it's good that they've added the extra water to these guys. Here's one that is blooming. I think they're going to do better once I repot them. But here's a beautiful one. Let me zoom out a little bit. Gorgeous. We saw the deer this morning. It was a nice welcome home. Everything's looking good. The hydrangea are still blooming.